everyone, basically today we are going to make a chicken soup with a boiled one. We are not going to fry anything, all boiled. I'm gonna use dal. I'm gonna mix dal in it. It's so yummy when it's mixed with dal. So I took some dal, washed it and cooked it aside, as you're gonna see. Yeah, I learned this recipe from grandma, so big up grandma Kabo. So I'm gonna cook also the potatoes and carrots aside. I'm going to cook them outside, and then I'll cook chicken, then later on I'll mix everything together. Yeah, you watch everything, it's self-explanatory. I'm not going to do a voice over the video, so watch everything, my dear. So as long as you get to know the ingredients, it's a very simple recipe and the chicken comes out very tasty to the end, such that you get to know all the recipe and the ingredients, because there are some ingredients which I mixed later on which I haven't introduced at the start. So please watch till the end. You see how my chicken came out. It came out so good and tasty. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and give this video a like.